Hello tech lovers, and welcome you to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you tips on how to be consistent on social media, either on your Instagram account, on your Twitter account, TikTok account, or on your YouTube channel. Any of these. Even you can even add your Pinterest account to it. So if you are someone that you are inconsistent with social media, then this video is yours. I'm going to be giving you tips on how ChatGPT that is going to give you 30 designs in 1 minute. ChatGPT is going to do it with Canva. These two apps that are going to do magic to your social media. So watch this video to the end and do not forget to like this video, subscribe, share it out, and leave a lovely comment in the comment section. Thank you. If you've not signed up for your ChatGPT, then you need to sign up and follow the procedures. I won't be going through that in this video. Okay, so right now I'm going to tell ChatGPT to give me 30 lazy ways, 30 lazy ways to make money online. Okay, I'll say write 30 lazy ways to make money online. Okay, in 2023. Then I click on enter. So it's giving me the 30 ways: online surveying, selling items online marketplace, online tutoring and teaching, virtual keeping and accounting, freelancing, writing and editing, graphic designs or web development, and like that, selling digital products such as ebook, courses, online test procuring, selling handmade goods on Etsy or similar platform, like that, online pet sitting and dog walking. So if you don't like all these, you can regenerate the response, right? Sell items on eBay, participate in affiliate marketing, and all that. So it's still giving it to us, I think I'm going to use this. But for the purpose of this video, again, offer transcription services, create printables, like that. So offer proofreading or editing services, create and sell digital products. So if I'm not satisfied with this, I will regenerate again. So you can now check the ones he has given you. You check the best one, right? You check the best one and you decide to copy. You decide to use. As you can see, I generated 3 different 30 ways to make money online. Okay, so create and sell print on demand products, offer online personal shopping. So these are the 30 ways ChatGPT gave us. So now I'm going to copy this, right? Then you see what I will do next. I'm going to copy this. So you will now come to docs.google.com/sheet. Okay, and you come to this blank page and you paste copy it. So after you put it on your Google Sheet, right? So you now save it as download as this. You can download as Microsoft Excel, open document, PDF, web page, comma, separated value, and tab separated value. But we're going to be using of this we are going to be making use of this CSV. Okay, so we're going to download as CSV. So at this stage, you now come to Canva. If you are hearing Canva for the first time, then you know that Canva, you can use Canva to create your design on social media. You can use it to do virtually everything regarding your business on social media or for your business. You can use it for stickers, you can use it for your logo, you can use it to create your social media post. Okay, so if you're using Canva for the first time, then you need to use my link in the description box to sign up for your Canva, and you get a free 30 days trials. Okay, but for the purpose of this video, we have 2 different types of platform on Canva. We have the free Canva and we have the pro Canva. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be showing us examples with the free Canva tools. Okay, but later on, if you want to expand your business, you can decide to use the pro versions, because the pro versions allows you to get more designs and more inner connections with Canva. Okay, let's go to Instagram post. We want to create an Instagram post. Okay, so we have some templates here. You can scroll down and choose any of these templates you want to use. I think I'm going to use the free one. So I said I'm not using the paid one for us. So let me look for a very nice free ones that I want to use. So let's use this free one. So I'm going to change everything here. So never mind, I will change everything. You can decide to change your color, you change your font, you change everything entirely here because this is a template you're using. Okay. So I can decide to, I already edited, right? Let me put this so you can see what I'm doing. So I already edited and I want to change the color, right? So you come to style. If you don't want to use any of these colors here, right? You can decide to play with the colors that you want. But if you don't want to use the colors here, you can come to style and you play with it. You choose some of these styles here, right? And you arrange. Yeah, you can decide to design it your way, but I think for the purpose of this video, we're going to stick to this place. We're going to stick here. Then we'll come here, upload our CSV. So after coming here, you'll connect the data, right? And this is our data. Then we'll click on continue. Okay. So now we have all our items here, all our what we got from ChatGPT. We have it here. Okay. So we have our 30 pages here, and this is the number one, and this is the 29. This is our 29 pages. Okay, the ones we got from ChatGPT. Okay, so we now create it here. We now click here and generate 29 pages. So ChatGPT has actually given us this, and Canva has created 40 designs for us. So it's not going to be nice. You have to tweak it a little bit to make it finer, right? So this is just the purpose for this video. Okay, at least you get the idea of what I'm talking about right now. So you now come here because it's 30. You can first of all post the first 15 in the same color. Then the second 15 you post it in another different color. You come to Canva and you design it in different color, or you can decide to do it the first 5. You can decide to put it into five posts per day. So with this way, this is how to generate a lot of posts for your social media, especially your Instagram post. Right? Do not mind this design. I just did this for these tutorials. It can be more beautiful than this. Okay. So now, are you thinking, oh, how do I get my captures for this? And guess what? ChatGPT is going to help us with our captures. So watch out. If you've not liked this video, please kindly like this video, subscribe, and share it out to someone that will need this video. Thank you. Five posts per day, So when you do that, you'll see that the engagement on your Instagram account will be massive. So now this is where we're going to put our capture. We can tell ChatGPT to elaborate more on number 1. Okay. So we can tell ChatGPT to explain number 1. Okay. So ChatGPT is giving us the number 1, and this is what it gave us as number 1. We can use this as our capture, but if you're not satisfied with this, we can just tell ChatGPT to make it short. So it has given us the number 1 tips. As you all know, in this video, we created like 30 designs. Okay, 30 designs, and that 30 designs you can decide to you use this method for it, and we'll come to our Google Doc, right? We take this number 1 and copy, and we'll paste it here, right? And the capture that we've written on our ChatGPT, So this is our design for number one. This is the capture that you will put on it and you can paste it on your Instagram account, right? And this is how you're going to do it from number one to number 30 or any of the numbers of designs that you created. Isn't this interesting that you can actually make 30 posts at once with ChatGPT and Canva, right? And if you want to be posting every day on Instagram to increase your engagement and to build your Instagram account, you can actually do that with chat with this post that we did, and you'll be posting it day one, day two, up to day 30. Okay? So you've created a content for your Instagram account, and which also put on your you can also put on others of your social media, right? So, did you gain value from this video? Also, you'll be wondering, oh, how do I want to make money out of this? You can do this for yourself, and also you can also make it or create a service from this. You can create a service and tell people that you can help them generate 50 content and capture, or 50 designs, or 100 designs, or 30 designs, or 40 designs and captures, right? And you charge them like $5, $10, or you can also put it on all these marketplaces like Facebook, Upworks, so that you can also monetize this content. Okay, isn't this amazing? So you can post it on your groups, if you are in WhatsApp groups, you can post it on your WhatsApp, you can post it on social media, on your Twitter account, you can post it on your Instagram page, you can post it on any of your social media's account, even on your TikTok account, you can post it there. And before you know it, you see people patronizing you, right? You see people patronizing you, and you will be amazed how much you can earn from this little way that I've showed you in this video. Okay, so follow these steps, and I hope you got value. Thank you for watching. We've come to the end of this video. Do not forget to like this video, share this video out, and please subscribe if you're new. Bye for now, and please do not forget to watch others of my